Hello everyone, my name is Parthiv Joshi, and I'm here to present my project for the hackathon, MindPulse, Feel It. Speak It. Heal It. This project is a public license initiative created for the social good domain. MindPulse is a voice-based emotional support platform that allows users to track their moods, write or speak journals, get AI-based insights, and access therapy-like conversations, all in one clean, responsive interface. Tech stack. Let me start by talking about the technology stack behind MindPulse. The front end is built using the latest React version with the Vite framework, which handles full-stack logic seamlessly. For styling, I use Daisy UI, which gave me a clean and customizable component library right on top of Tailwind CSS. For authentication, I've integrated Clerk. It supports passwordless login, social auth, and session management, and it made the entire process extremely smooth and secure. On the back end, I've used MongoDB as the database to store user sessions, journal entries, mood scores, and progress. I've also integrated several APIs, Grok AI for the mental health chatbot, powered by LLMs like ChatGPT, speech-to-text API to convert voice input into journal entries, text-to-speech API for accessibility, perfect for elder users, and free sound API for calm and ambient music used in meditation sessions. UI and UX overview. Now let's jump into the UI and walkthrough. When you first land on the homepage, you'll notice a calming design, with soft animations and support for light and dark themes, which can be toggled at the top. At the bottom, I've added two main action buttons for quick access. All buttons and interactions across the app are fully functional and tested. Authentication. Now let's authenticate ourselves using Clerk. Once signed in, we are redirected to the dashboard. As you can see, it displays current mood status, streaks, average mood, total number of sessions. This data is pulled dynamically based on the user's input. Now let me show you the Start Session feature. Here, users can log their current mood using a scale from 0 to 10, pick a mood type, happy, sad, anxious, etc., and then either write or speak their journal. For voice input, I've added a microphone feature using the browser's speech recognition API. It transcribes what the user says into text, which then gets saved along with the journal entry. This allows users to reflect on their thoughts effortlessly. As you are able to see, that dashboard is completely dynamic. Let's dive into the journal section. For users who prefer to write their entries manually, the journal section is available separately. Here, you can write your thoughts, tag them with keywords, comma separated, and again rate your mood using a slider. There's also an Analyze with AI button. It sends your journal to the backend, and the AI will summarize how you're feeling and give emotional insights. This helps users reflect on their mental patterns. Let's see the database if it is storing the data or not. So as you can see, I have created 4 database emotions, moods, sessions, user. It will store the data accordingly. As you can see that it's storing the data successfully. Next is the calm zone, which is my personal favorite. Here you'll find a curated playlist of meditation and ambient sounds. These are mute my mic now so that you can listen the sounds of soft nature sounds, waves, and ambient tones, ideal for users dealing with stress or anxiety. It also contains breathing techniques. Let's test the meditation sound, which is fetched from FreeSound API. Let's move on to the AI chatbot. This is a conversational therapy bot powered by ChatGPT via Grok AI API. It responds empathetically and intelligently, like a digital therapist. The chat interface includes microphone input, so users can speak instead of typing. Text-to-speech responses, making it accessible for elder users or those with reading difficulty. For example, if I ask, "I'm feeling anxious today," the chatbot will respond with calming strategies or breathing techniques. It can also detect context from mood scores and past entries to personalize its responses.
Parthiv, I can totally understand why you'd want to explore some breathing techniques to help manage your stress and anxiety. It's amazing how something as simple as breathing can have such a profound impact on our
Next up is the progress section. To keep users motivated, I've added gamification elements like mood streak tracking, daily badges, and soon, even challenges and rewards for maintaining mental wellness habits. Some features are still under development, mainly due to recent health issues I faced. However, the backend logic and UI framework for gamification are already in place, it's just a matter of polishing the front-end display. One of the key strengths of MindPulse is that it's fully responsive and works seamlessly across all devices. Whether you're using a smartphone, tablet, laptop, or a desktop, the layout adjusts perfectly to provide an optimal user experience. No zooming, no breaking, no awkward scrolls. This means users can access MindPulse anytime, anywhere, whether they're at home, at work, in a park, or even while traveling. All they need is an internet connection and a browser. I've tested the app thoroughly on different screen sizes to ensure a smooth and consistent experience for journaling, AI therapy sessions, mood tracking, and even listening to calming sounds. So no matter where you are, MindPulse is always within reach, ready to support your mental well-being. MindPulse has the potential to win this hackathon because it tackles a real, urgent problem, mental health, with a practical, accessible, and AI-powered solution. Thank you for watching my demo. I hope you liked it and found it valuable. Let's heal together, one mindful moment at a time.